Very good morning, this is day 4 and we are here in Changi City Center or Changi City Point. We have come to do some shopping because in India I didn't get enough time to shop for me. Thank you. Yeah, one thing I gotta say, the people here are so polite, they have so much of etiquette. So we're gonna catch the MRT from here, which is a metro of Singapore, to go to Boogie Market. From there we're gonna look for the things which I'm gonna buy. So we boarded into MRT, but the thing about this MRT is that there is no driver. It is all automatic on the both ends. We are at the end of the train. So for eating, we got ourselves some buns. I got the cranberry bun. This is way too sweet and tasty. So that's what I'm gonna try. So this is a 16mm. I'm testing out the 16 to 35 f4 because I'm really interested to buy this lens. I was checking out the f2.8 also, but they were not available here in as demo. But so I decided to go for f4 to check it. How does it look like? This is now at 16. Now it's at 24mm where I record usually because I have the 24 to 70. And I think 16 to 35 is pretty wide for vlog. So we're in Boogie Street. There are so many people.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, YouTuber. People feel so happy about knowing that I am YouTuber and making the vlog from here. सब बहुत friendly हैं यहाँ पे, अपन भाई लोग हैं सब लोग. अभी जो लास्ट टाइम ट्रेन में बोर्ड किए हम एक्चुअली गलती से गलत ट्रेन में चढ़ गए, तो उल्टी साइड को बोर्ड कर लिए. तो जैसे रियलाइज़ हुए तो अगले स्टेशन पे उतरे, तो अभी ट्रेन चेंज करेंगे. हाँ, बूगीज़ मार्केट से मैंने अपने लिए ली एक जैकेट और कुछ भी देखना था, लेकिन कुछ इतना खास पसंद नहीं आया, लाइक नॉट फॉर द वैल्यू फॉर द मनी. द जैकेट आई विल शो लेटर. तो अभी वी आर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स मरीना बे सैंड्स. वी आउट हियर इन the downtown area. I think you must definitely be knowing that what a downtown area used to be like. Oh my goodness. For the very first time, I'm seeing these kind of skyscrapers, and these are so amazing, I can tell you. I might not be sounding really best because I have removed the mic, but we are in the most iconic building of the whole world. That is the Marina Bay Sands. We're gonna go on the top of this building where you're gonna see the breathtaking view of the whole city. This is the ticket for Sky Park. To reach the Sky Park, we have to go over 57th floor, and I think the lift takes less than a minute to reach over there because it's very fast. You know, you can see this rise in altitude, that's 174, and it's going in seconds. So we're on the top of this Sand Bay Marina, and the view from here is breathtaking, which you can call it like panoramic view of this whole city. And when the lift comes up at the 57th floor, in the meantime, your ear feels the same way just like you do in an airplane while taking off. So you can imagine that how fast your lift must be going, that it covers less than a minute the all 57 floors. I'm filming in my phone because my camera has set up on gimbal and उसमें mic नहीं लगाया, so I can't really install the mic right now, and we gotta leave from here because we spent too much time shooting the B-rolls and all. It's looking so lovely that you can spend so many hours looking at the skyscrapers and the city if you really feel like. So from here you can see the Singapore Flyer on that side, the gardens by the way, and there's one more indoor stadium which is right over there. It can be open, it can be closed according to the situation. So after coming from the top, we are still in Marina Bay Sands, but had to buy some water and cold drinks because we were feeling so thirsty. So this is why we are here in 7-Eleven, and there is a long queue for the billing. So Karmveer Singh is getting that done already.
Tonight.
So there was a lovely laser show outside the Marina Bay. I would say the choice of the music, the design of the music was really awesome. And I think there were thousands of people which were sitting around and enjoying the show. मेरे phone की battery is almost like 15%. थोड़ी देर में ये भी dead हो जाएगा. And my camera battery has also died, so this is why that's sitting in my bag. So this is why I actually enjoyed the show with my eyes rather than just seeing through a display. Overall, I just had a really good time. And the buildings around Marina Bay are looking dang beautiful at night. You know, the view is so good, the lighting looking so good. I mean, this is like first time experience which I had in here, but the only thing is I got f***ed up because I forgot both the data cable, that is even the C type and the lighting cable for this phone and my camera. I forgot those at home and I'm really pissed right now, but it's alright, the things happen. So from Marina Bay Sands I was going to Malasya, so जहाँ पे शेर का वो मुंह लगा रहता है. You must have seen in many movies, and the view behind me is really spectacular that I can't tell you. You can see it by yourself.
Play these little games, acting all okay. Today.
So on the way back from Malasya, I actually forgot the way that how to reach my home. So this is why I asked for help. So here is Amy with me. So she is with her whole family, and I'm really thanking her for helping me out. And she walked me till the station. That's so nice of her. And she has subscribed to my channel, so she's gonna see our vlog. Oops. So it's 12 right now. मैं 1 घंटा पहले घर पे आ गया था. Today's day was like fantastic, amazing. I had quite a lot fun on the Sand Bay Marina on the top of that building. That's I would say that's one of the best engineering structure they have made. Like 3 buildings are with each 56 floors, and on the top of that there is one whole ship kind of structure made on all those 3 buildings, and that's nothing can be more amazing than this. This is the beauty of the Singapore, and I think this is one of its kind in the whole world. So this is the jacket which I bought from Boogie's Market. It did cost me around like $40. I really like its design. If I show you from the back, and one thing I want to say that people here in Singapore are so kind, so helpful. They are so nice by their nature if you are being nice to them. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for the more videos like this. And as I always say, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, 93rider. Instagram handle is right on the screen. I hope you have a lovely day. See ya in the next video.
Cast me far away. Play these little games.